I think think tanks suffer from curse of the expert. They are so knowledgeable and researched on what they're about and what they're trying to accomplish that oftentimes they have a hard time communicating that to the general public. So what I would ask them to do, my big thought around this, is turn your data into drama. Show them what it means to people on a real world level, not just the numbers. So move them from that logical left brain into their emotional right brain, because after all, we all buy with our hearts and justify our purchases with our heads. One thing that think tanks can do is to adopt this and, but, and therefore structure to create and simplify the theme of every communication they're putting out, because they're playing to the narrative, intuition, and structure of our brains. So they can set up, here's what we studied, and it's important because of this, but here's the challenge that we're all trying to overcome, therefore here's our answer to it. The and button, therefore, I have found is so powerful. I call it a storytelling dumbbell, because you can use it in every single communication. Instead of just coming out and rolling out a bunch of data, stats, facts, and charts, and assuming your audience is going to come to the same algorithmic equation that you have, tell it to them in an emotional story.